This is a colorway that Michael Jordan wore in the NBA. This colorway is known as the Black Cement or the Breds, and it remains highly revered till this day. Originally launched in 1989, it made a comeback for the shoe's 10th anniversary in 1999. Its third release in 2008 marked the replacement of the heel's Nike Air branding with the Jumpman logo. For the 23rd anniversary, released in 2012, Jordan Brand retained the non-OG Jordan Jumpman, only to revert to its original branding in 2019 for the shoe's 30th anniversary. If I didn't say so already, this sneaker released 35 years ago originally. In the honor and legacy of the Jordan 4 Bred, Jordan Brand has finally retroed this shoe in a reimagined take. This reimagined take on the Jordan 4 Bred revitalizes the classic black pair with a twist. Named the Bred Reimagined, the usual nubuck upper has been replaced with leather, and Nike highlights that they have re-engineered the shape, fit, and feel to match the original 89 specifications. Among all the original Air Jordan 4s that released in 1989, only one pair lacked a leather construction. The four colorways include the Breds, White Cements, Military Blues, and Fire Reds, where only the Bred edition lacked the leather upper. Instead, it featured a soft nubuck construction against its upper, a characteristic maintained through all 5 of its releases till this day. Therefore, when Jordan Brand decided to introduce a new construction for the Breds this year, transitioning to leather felt like a natural choice. However, despite this silhouette's association with the style adjustment, many sneakerheads might see this pair as trash, which we've seen with many of the reimagined Jordans so far.